Hello friends, myself Dr. Heman Sharma, and today I am going to explain you how to score excellent rank and how to crack NEET PG exam in last 2 months strategy. Now you have January, February and March, last 11 days for revision. So how to study? So in this scenario, you have to study every day, and from 1st of January I am going to start new batch. Nearly 2000 free MCQs are available on YouTube. Okay, so I already put nearly around 157 158 MCQs where I discuss all 4 options. And in January to February I am going to provide you every day 2 or 3 videos about very high yield topics. In every topic there is a 100% chance to receive one MCQ from one topic. Like hepatitis B, you are going to receive one MCQ in exam. But if you are going to study hepatitis B from books, very huge material, at least 30 pages, 10 pages. So I summarize in a 10 lines in one single page this topic, like pregnancy, physiology, postpartum hemorrhage, like autopsy, okay, and psychiatry I already summarized in maximum 2 hours. So topic wise videos are there. So guys, if you really interested, if you want to crack NEET PG exam, or if you want to score excellent marks in exam, so these January and February new batch going to be started. So guys, if you want to join, that is payable 5,000 rupees. Amount is very less, so 5,000 rupees you can pay and you can take the subscription of that videos, and every day you are going to receive 2-3 topics. The video duration is not more than 15 minutes. One video around 10 minutes, 12 minutes, some videos are 8 minutes. So guys, this helps you to crack NEET PG examination. Lot of doctors even don't know what kind of pattern of this exam, what kind of MCQs they are going to ask. So in videos I am going to discuss all past 10-year MCQs and new updates also. If you study past update with books, you are going to study very past updates. So I am going to provide you recent updates, new MCQs and new pattern, new changes. So in exam there is lot of probability to receive such MCQs regarding new updates, like BMW, biomedical waste management, definitely one MCQ. Like CPR or neonatal resuscitation, always there is 1 or 2 MCQ. Without CPR, without BMW, without hepatitis B, there is no examination paper. Like HIV AIDS, like COPD and capnography, they are very high yield topics. Some syndromes like pulmonary embolism, like arrhythmias, okay, such contain. I already provide 150, so I am going to provide you every day. Already 3 batches are running, so new batch start from January and February. I am going to finish all 150 videos in February for new batch doctors, and last 11 days I will give you some Brahma Shastra, how to score excellent marks, how to attempt paper and how to attempt MCQ. Okay, so I give you a confidence and I give you a strategy how to attempt MCQ. This is also a talent. Lot of doctors are studying. I say everybody is studying, but some are scoring very high and some are scoring very low in spite of studying very high, because this is trick. You have to understand what kind of paper, what kind of MCQ they are going to ask, and you have to be prepared well. So guys, if you're really interested and if you want to score excellent marks in short duration, you can subscribe that program. Fees is non-refundable, so 5,000 rupees is fees. And how to join that subscription, link in description I am going to provide you, and also helpline WhatsApp number I am going to provide. So guys, thank you, good day, goodbye, that's all.